Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can do defensive line in Madden 27. Let's try with shift. So we have to click the right stick on the right side and simply we gotta select the shift one. So just click the left analog stick toward left and you'll able to complete shift. It is that easy. Now let me complete the tutorial. For that we have to wait until the ball gets snapped. Okay. Now next one we have here is defensive line spread tutorial. For that you again need to click the right stick on the right hand side. Now here choose the spread option by clicking the left stick upwards like this. Okay, the next one is defensive line pinch tutorial. So the process is same, click the right stick on the right hand side. To select the pinch we gotta click the left stick downwards. Next one is defensive line. Again click the right stick on the right hand side. To select the slant we gotta click the right stick downwards. Next we have defensive line stunts. Click the right stick on the right hand side. To select the stunts we need to press R1 on PlayStation and RB on Xbox. Now select any of this and just like that you'll able to complete defensive line stunts. So yeah, that's pretty much of it. This is exactly how you're able to do defensive line in Madden 27. Hope this video helped out. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.